Hello everybody, welcome back to another video on Block 7 after a long time. It's been a very busy few months and therefore we've not been able to come out with a video. My apologies for that. We will do our best to bring you more undervalued projects and more videos from here on. Today we will talk about another undervalued project that began in 2018 and they launched in the bear market. They made it through the entire crypto winter and are now ready to explode. This is none other than Gather Network. Let's check out what Gather Network is. So Gather is a platform that allows publishers to monetize without ads and provides businesses and developers access to cheap and reliable processing power. The token that represents Gather Network is GTH. It is ranked at number 1047 with a market cap of approximately 15 million at the time of this recording. The circulating supply of GTH token is at 140.6 million tokens with a total supply of 400 million tokens. The GTH token is currently trading at approximately 11 cents and is available to buy and trade on exchanges such as Uniswap, Ascendex, Bithumb Global, which is now BitGlobal, Gate.io, etc. on USDT and ETH pairs. There is a lot to discuss about Gather Network, so we will focus more on Gather Online today, which I would say is the core of Gather Network, and take you through the rest of the important topics of tokenomics, partnerships, price predictions, and status updates in our subsequent videos. With that said, let's get back to Gather. So the CEO of Gather Network is Raghav Reggie Jarat, generally known as Reggie among the community, who is an entrepreneur and also a crypto enthusiast or a person with a strong understanding of the history of cryptocurrencies. Reggie operates from Dubai and Gather Network has a team based in India and several other locations. Gather Network is made up of 3 layers, call it as 3 different products that make up Gather. These 3 layers are Gather Online, Gather Enterprise, and Gather Cloud. Let's take a look at these layers now. So layer 0 is Gather Online, which is the hardware layer where the processing power is collected from publishers. Layer 1 is the Gather Network, which is the protocol layer. This is your hybrid proof of work and proof of stake blockchain, which incentivizes stakeholders and maintains the transparency and security of the network. Layer 2 then is Gather Cloud, which is the application layer where the processing power is shared with enterprises at low costs and provides them a more secure and reliable network. The Gather ecosystem is derived from processing power generated by the hardware layer and flowing securely back to the application layer via the Gather network, which is the protocol layer. Once the Gather code is installed on a site by integrating a code or in an app via SDK, website visitors and application users can elect to provide their processing power to Gather Online. The process goes like this. The user visits the website, the user opts in with one click, the user's processing power enters the Gather ecosystem, enterprises and developers benefit from lower costs via Gather Cloud as this processing power is shared with them, and the user and the website owner earn money. There is also a web page detailing the instructions for publishers to be able to use Gather Online. Check this link out if you are interested. When a website or publisher uses Gather Network, users accessing the website will ideally see a pop-up like this towards agreeing to share their processing power to the website. This is an option and is at users' discretion if they are happy to share their processing power or if they intend to just continue using the website. It's totally up to you. The sales pitch for the user to click the accept button is basically that the user gets rewarded in the shape of GTH tokens or the tokens that respective website supports. So what's the benefit and why use Gather Online? Because Gather helps maximize your revenue. Compared to the traditional digital advertising rates, Gather presents a 1.4x revenue model that publishers can generate, which can go up to 20x depending on factors such as network load, number of sessions, and coin value. Gather also has several payout options which can be made in digital currencies or fiat currencies. It's a seamless, easy experience with a few clicks. The product gets integrated into your website or application. You can also integrate multiple platforms into the Gather ecosystem. You can manage your platforms separately and monitor your revenue for each of them through Publisher Dashboard. So your website, your apps, all of them can be monitored and managed effectively through the dashboard. You can log into the Publisher's dashboard from the login button located at the top right of Gather Network's website. Another interesting thing is Gather's launching a Gather loyalty program where visitors will be rewarded by the website or application owner for their time and attention. Once the users are online, they will get notified by a banner indicating the rewarded GTH tokens for the time they've spent on the website or the application. Every time you visit a site, you start earning more. Let's quickly take a look at the official video clip explaining what Gather Network does.
Current revenue-generating methods don't allow publishers and businesses to offer an enjoyable, ad-free browsing experience. We need a new solution that brings everything together to benefit businesses and users alike. That's why we made Gather. Gather is a blockchain-based network that improves the online experience for users, generates additional revenue for publishers, reduces cloud computing costs for enterprises, and makes running a proof-of-work blockchain easier. Instead of spamming users with ads to generate revenue, Gather runs in the background of your site, and with each user's consent, aggregates their idle processing power. Then it distributes said power to enterprises for cloud computing and to developers for cryptocurrency mining. Publishers receive payment in cryptocurrency or fiat, users get to enjoy an ad-free browsing experience, and developers deploy their secure blockchains without the need to find new miners. Ultimately, it's a virtuous cycle that radically changes digital monetization and revenue generation to provide a superior experience for the end user. Join Gather today to be a part of the future.
So that covers Gather Online and all you need to know about Gather Online. Like I mentioned earlier, we will come up with more videos covering the roadmap and partnerships and what's coming for the GTH token in the next few months. We at Block 7 believe that the GTH token is undervalued and has the potential to grow significantly this year. Stay tuned for our upcoming videos. It's going to be totally packed with info you need to know. Alright then, time for me to say bye now. Please like and subscribe to our channel and click the notification icon so you can jump onto our videos immediately after they're released. Thank you for watching everyone. Take care. I'll see you in the next one. Ciao.